Hi guys, it's Olga from Decoupage Queen, and today we are talking about Lablanche new release that is just hitting Decoupage Queen shelves. Me and Iveta did a live stream on the release day where you can see all those products with great detail up close and personal, and it will be linked in the description box of this video. The best holiday collections are the ones that you can actually use all year long. That's exactly what I love the most about this newest Lablanche release. Of course, we have some beautiful festive designs because we all enjoy creating something magical for the holiday season. But what really caught my eye is how versatile this collection and whole release is. It doesn't feel limited to Christmas at all. The rice papers are absolutely gorgeous. Instead of those bold seasonal colors that we all used to, you will find soft shades of blue and green layered over beautiful neutral backgrounds. The designs are elegant, timeless, and incredibly easy to combine with so many different styles. Some feature delicate florals, others have graceful swirls and ornamental designs that instantly will add movement and depth to your project. Same thing goes for molds. Whenever you are making art journals, home decor, mixed media, handmade gifts, or traditional decoupage, those products will fit beautifully without overpowering your designs. And that is something that I always appreciate, a collection that inspires your creativity instead of dictating you what exactly you should make. Silicone molds are full of intricate details that work wonderfully on the holiday projects, but they are as perfect for vintage, shabby chic, romantic, botanical, or even elegant mixed media and decoupage projects throughout all the year. I always look for the products that give me flexibility. I love supplies that don't end up hidden away in a drawer after December is over, and these are definitely those kinds of products and designs that you will be reaching for over again throughout entire year. I can already imagine using them far beyond holiday season, and if you are someone who enjoys products that stay relevant for long, I think you're going to have a lot of fun with this release. Beautiful rice papers, elegant silicone molds, timeless patterns, and color palette that is bold, fresh, but still classic. And you will find all of that on Decoupage Queen shelves. Check the links in the video description below, and if you want to see those products more up close and personal, there will be a live stream linked down below where we showed you all those products live on the release day. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice and creative day with Decoupage Queen. Bye!